Look, this time of year when you're out there buying presents and spending on the holidays and so forth, I'm so happy to be able to offer you a segment here where we can actually talk about saving you money, and not just a little money. I'm talking hundreds and then thousands of dollars over the next year. Talking about going solar with Artie Rose from Solar Alliance of America today. And Artie, first off, would you please explain to folks, because I don't know what else to do here, except explain to them the difference between this tax credit that the government is offering to pay for their system versus a tax deduction.
We get a lot of calls on that, Mark. Back in 2009, the Obama administration signed the stimulus package. And part of the stimulus package was a landmark decision. It was called a tax credit for solar energy. It's never been like this before. And I first got involved in the industry back in 1984. So since '09, they created this credit. It's not a deduction. It's not something that's going to lower your taxes. These are real dollars. And most homeowners that work for somebody.
This is a dollar for dollar credit, where if you spend $1, the government gives you back $1.
Right. Well, 30% of it.
30%.
But again, it's real dollars. So what Solar Alliance of America does, for instance, we have a program where we'll install a solar electric system on people's home today, and we can offer them no payments and no interest for 18 months. Now, over the 18 months, what's going to happen is they're going to experience utility savings. How much they save is totally dependent on the size of the system. But more importantly, sometime within the next 18 months, by August 2015, the federal government, as long as they pay federal income taxes, will give them back 30% of the cost of the solar electric system.
Folks, here's what you need to do. You see the number on your screen. You need to go ahead and start calling now, and don't wait to make your appointment with Artie Rose and Solar Alliance of America. Let them come to your home and give you the facts as they pertain to you individually. It's not a one-size-fits-all. You don't even begin to do that for folks. You really like to sit down with their bills and explain to them through their situation.
Right. It's not for everybody, Mark. If somebody's utility bill's under $100 a month, probably solar energy is not for them. But if their utility bill's over $100 a month, I suggest they call our office. What we're offering now through the end of the year, we're actually going to give homeowners a free $100 Shell gas card just for finding out the facts. The only thing we ask is that they are homeowners. Homeowners are present for a presentation on solar energy, and they have to have a minimum electric bill of $100 a month, and they will get, again, a free $100 Shell gas card.
Folks, I don't normally do this. I do not work for Artie, but I really have to emphasize to you, this is not like sitting down like we all have when we're down in Cabo or something and getting the timeshare presentation. There's no hard sell like that. There's no, well, if you don't want to spend this much, how about this much type of thing. Artie sits down with you, your bills, says, here's what we can do for you. Let us know what you think. And he gets up and walks out, and in my case, I'm grabbing at you going, wait, get back here. Where are you going?
Mark, most people are amazed. What happens is they start to really see the full picture.
Right.
Most people are convinced in their own minds that solar energy is too expensive, the payback is too long. All of a sudden, over their kitchen table, using their bills, they see how the federal tax credit, that 30%, and what they're already paying the local utility company. Think about if your utility bill is only $100 a month, you're spending $1,200 a year. Over the next 10 years, here's an example of a bill. Look at all the things that you're paying, the transmission, distribution, public purpose programs. As your bill's over $150 a month, you're paying into this. This is money that's collected by the state of California and given back to homeowners to go solar.
So when I said you're already paying for it, that's just one of the places you're already paying for it. If you pay these public purpose fees, you're paying for other people to have solar. So why not pay for yourself to have solar? And when you lower your bill down, that charge goes away.
And plus, Mark, you're increasing the value of your home. The state of California has a law. They can't increase your property tax, even though you're increasing the value of your home. Most people are amazed. 90% of the people that I show the program to go ahead and invest.
All right, it's Artie Rose, Solar Alliance of America. Ask about their Christmas special as well, and get that $100 Shell gas card just for listening to a presentation. For more information, san diego6.com. Check San Diego Living.